Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So today I am barefaced, as you can see. Ain't no shame in your bare face. Be proud of your bare face, y'all. Bare face is God's gift, so be proud, boo. Anyways, you guys know it's Monday Mask. I got a little busy with my life and I just kind of forgot to film a Mask Monday, and then Monday came around and I was like, oh yo, like you forgot your Mask Monday. And yeah, so I'm here to do the Mask Monday. On the last Mask Monday I had a giveaway. I have already contacted the people for the giveaway. It was just simply some sheet masks, one sheet mask per person. It was a really tiny giveaway, but everyone who entered, thank you so much, and I really appreciate you guys entering and showing me support. So I wanted to show some support. So I wanted to show some support with a small itty bitty giveaway. So guys, I'm trying to like rush through my intros now sometimes because people say like my intros are boring, and I feel like really sensitive because I feel like my intros are informative, but people say my intros are boring. So I'm trying to like rush through it, but then like here I am still talking about my intro. But anyways, so today we're going to be doing the Rubber Mask Firm Lover. This is so weird. I find this icon, like this imagery, to be so freaking weird, but it's eye-catching. But I guess it's like, it's eye-catching, so that's what made me want to purchase it and try it out, because I was like, what is that? That looks like, I'm sorry, but it looks like it's out of a scary movie. Fuck that. Mind my language. But yeah, but still my twisted head wanted to try it out. I've never gone to a scary movie, but like you hate scary stuff, but then you still go because you just want to torture yourself. Like that's me. Like I can't handle scary things, but then like I'll still do scary things. So like this looks scary, so I still wanted to try it. It's like something's wrong with my brain. So it's the Dr. Jart Firm Lover Rubber Mask, intensive firming ampoule pack. Firming ingredients are gently absorbed into skin. It has a berry complex, a 3-berry extract, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry. Improves skin elasticity by supplying rich moisturizing nutrients. And then there's a firming wrap rubber mask. So I guess you put on the step 1, which is this, and then you put on the mask on top, which is going to be very interesting. Okay, so I got a firming mask, and the reason why I got the firming mask is because, you know, your boo is getting old. You can't stop age, but you can embrace age though. So I got that for my face, and anything that has firming in it always has hydration in it. So you know your girl got some really dry skin, so I had to get myself something that was hydrating. If you've been on my channel and you don't know that I have dry skin by now, you're not listening to me. You're just not. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and when we open it up, it says step 1 on it, Rubber Mask Firm Lover. So I guess this is the first part that you put on. These products are made in Korea. I feel like they just say made in Korea because everybody knows Korean people got that bomb skin. So if Koreans looking bomb, we gonna look bomb because it's made in Korea. And I guess this is the step 2 because this has the rubber mask in it. And I guess that's all that comes in this. This rubber mask feels very like firm, you guys. Like I'm just like, okay. The directions: after cleansing, massage step 1. Ampoule pack into skin to nourish. Okay guys, so I always, before, even though I've washed my face, I always like to go in with my Glow Tonic wipes. So these are the quick and go ones. I like to get the quick and go ones because they're nice and already like absorbed with the liquid. I don't know, it's just like one less step you gotta do. Like that's like the life that I like. Dirt that's on your face even though you washed your face, but you know there's still be dirt on your face. Like look, I still got dirt on my face. Like okay girl, that dirt needs to come off. So then now I'm just gonna go in with step 1. So it has a very rubbery feel to it. Okay, and you just kind of get it on to your face. It has a very, and it's just white, you guys. It's like not gonna capture on the camera, but the texture is like very rubbery. See, it's not that gloopy. It's very thick and rubbery. Oh shit! Don't drop it, you guys. It'll roll off your. Oh shit! Okay, so it's nicely rubbed into my hands. I love to rub the rest of a mask into my hands. Like you know how there's excess on the mask. I was like rubbing it into my hands. I don't know. Your girl thinks my hands needs the love too. So anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and open this rubber firming mask. This is step 2. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like a dry mask, but it's not, you guys. It's like a complete rubber. Oh, it's a rubber. It's like it has like actual stuff on it, like serum and stuff like that on it. So do not. Oh, and it's 2 pieces. So it's 2 pieces, which is really, really cool. I love filming these Mask Mondays because it's like a first impression of a mask, and I love exploring makeup stuff. Like makeup and skincare is like my favorite one to explore. So you're just going to basically turn yourself into a scary image. Please make sure children are not around when you're doing this, especially if you're a mom, because your child will be terrified. If I was a little kid and I saw my mom doing this to her face, I would freak the F out. I'd run. Okay, let's put on the bottom piece. Okay, it has a lot of liquid on it, but I feel like a lot of the liquid is just like remaining on these like little film things. So maybe like a better way of packaging would have been nice. Looking real good, girl. I wish it kind of like covered more of my face, but it could be that I have a chubby face. So it's not gonna cover all of my face, but so far, you guys, this is feeling bomb. So how long does it say I have to have this on? What the fuck? 30 to 40 minutes? Are they out of their minds? I'm supposed to wear this 30 to 40 minutes? Oh my god, like I can do a whole look in 30 to 40 minutes. Alright guys, I'll be back 30 to 40 minutes. No, that's weird. So the infamous 40 minutes have passed by. It's time to peel it off. These things still have a lot of liquid on it. It still has a lot of product on it. So what does it say? Step 2. Oh, okay, so you can use it all on your arms and stuff like that? Okay. So they say to just rub everything in. Oh my god, you guys, my skin feels so firm and tight. Feels really good. I really love the glow that I have going on. The only thing I would say is my skin has a little bit of a sticky feel to it. I don't really like that sticky feel. I think this mask would definitely be a really amazing mask to do before you go to sleep, and then wake up in the morning, wash your face, and you have this like firm, beautiful skin. I did it before I'm going out somewhere. I think it would be good even before you go out somewhere, but I don't like the sticky feel on my face. So I would definitely do this mask the night before I go anywhere, or like that type of thing. But it also would be good even before an event, because it does have like that sticky feel, so your foundation will stick onto your skin even better. But me personally, I would do this at night. Now this mask is not super pricey, but it did do what it promised to do. It definitely made my skin feel very firm and beautiful and stunning. If I had to pick out of this mask, if I would go ahead and try this mask out, is it worth a try? I definitely think it's worth a try. I felt like my skin looked really pretty and very luminous, and I think I would even include this as a firming mask in my rotation of my weekly skincare. I do a lot of masking throughout the week because I have dry skin. I just try to really keep up with my skin. Yeah, I would definitely include this in my skincare rotation. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for this Mask Monday review. First impression, just masking, bringing that skincare awareness. Like I think everyone needs to, you know, I feel like often skincare is something that people don't talk about, and they're just like right into foundation, right into makeup, and it's like, if you gotta take care of your canvas so everything else in your life can look good. Not life, but you know, your face can look good. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next Mask Monday, in my next videos. You know, I've been posting a lot of videos here up on YouTube, so I hope you guys enjoy everything that I'm posting. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Those are all Glam by Runa. Everything will be linked down below in the description box, including a link to this mask. Go ahead and use that link, y'all, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!